What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the BeatMajors channel, man. Today, I'm just really, I found a sample, I found a loop, I started cooking up the beat. I haven't done a beat making video in a while, so I wanted to stop my process and to show you guys how I cook up, I guess. And make sure you guys like, make sure you guys subscribe. We are about to cook up. Let's go. All right, so I basically found this sample. To me, it sounds more of like Dave East and like Rick Ross. So let me know what you think this sounds like, all right? So that's pretty much just the sample, the meat of the beat, right? So I started adding in small little just different things like the hi-hats. I added in the claps. And then I added like a open hi-hat. And I did a kick pattern. And then what I did was I put, the extra snare hits in just to, just how most trap beats are. And then I put in like a guitar stab. Then I added a crash with like some jingles. It's something simple. That is pretty much the meat of the track. I'll show you what the 808 sounds like, and then I'll go back and kind of maybe add some extra elements into the track. That's pretty much it, and that's the main pieces of the track right there. I do want to go in and add some extra elements, maybe add some flutes or something. If it's needed, it may not be needed. I may scrap it at the end. Let's see though. Let's just try and go through and see what we can do with it. I found a weird flute. Like, I probably won't end up using it, but that's dope. I like that. That's hard. I don't know. I just found that, but I just thought I'd share that with you guys. Let's get back into it though. Laid them down. Let's see what they sound like. All right, everybody. So I kind of finished the beat. I formatted it, put it together. Not too much going on because I wanted to keep it open enough for the rapper or the artist to do their thing. So I'll play it for you guys. That flute that I added, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see what comes about. You guys let me know if you want me to keep the flute in there, if you like it. Drop a comment below. Let me know if you're feeling it. If not, it's okay. I'll delete it. I'll take it out. I'll take it out. It may not be that dope. All right. I'm going to play the beat for you guys. Let's go ahead and get into it. Hope you guys like that beat. I just wanted to talk to y'all for a quick little second. We'll just basically just talk about who is the BeatMajors and what the BeatMajors is about. What does it consist of? You guys also see the name of the BeatMajors. So you're like, who is this person? Like, what do we do? The BeatMajors is basically just a collective of producers who all kind of want the same things out of life with music and want to live off of their music production. But really, this thing is, you know, a passion for us, if you would. With that being said, we work pretty hard. You know, as you guys see, we put out sound kits. I help you guys and give you guys a little game as far as being a music producer and things you can do to grow as a music producer. Who consists of the BeatMajors? Like, who are we? Who's all in the BeatMajors? It's me. I'm Young Heat. I go by Young Heat. You can follow me on Instagram at They Call Me Heat. You can follow me on Twitter at iYoungHeat. Also, the homie Killer Dame, he's in the crew. Killer Dame beats at pretty much everything. There's my homie Young O, Solar Eclipse, the free kit that we dropped. He actually produced most of the loops in that kit. So that is from the homie Young O, so shout out to him. That's what we do. That's who the BeatMajors are. So make sure you guys show love to them, follow them. And our mission is to, you know, help producers become, you know, more in tune with themselves, more in tune with what they want out of music. You know, I know a lot of people say that they want to live off music, but they don't apply themselves. They don't work as hard. And we work very hard at what we do. In just a year or two, our come up has been very strong. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we want to see other producers win. So if you want to win, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell button. Don't miss out on any more of these videos. And until next time, guys, I will definitely holler at you guys. Again, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you later. Peace.